Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the maximum laundry wave for each washing cycle in Samsung EcoBubble WW. So the first one, Eco, it's a maximum max in this device is 8 kg. The next one, the cotton, it's a maximum also. The synthetics, the 3 kg, hygiene 4 kg, the rinse and spin maximum 8 kilograms. The spinning and water out, it's maximum. Room cleaning, we can skip. The next one, it's a bedding, it's a 2 kilograms. The dark color 4 kg, economic 4 kg, the wool 2 kg, delicate 2 kg, program mix 4 kg, and speed washing 2 kilograms. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.